Alright, dear viewers, here we are. Good morning to you, and we got this big windstorm out here. Yeah, so I woke up about a little after 4 a.m. Got this big windstorm that came through, and you don't see much because it's dark out here. That's still dark out here. It's got another hour, maybe hour and a half before the sun starts rising out here. And I woke up after to use the bathroom, but I noticed that then this big wind came. So it's been really hot and humid the entire day. All day yesterday was, even last night was like in the 80s. Wow, I couldn't believe the 80s, but it was like around 11 o'clock. So thank God for this breeze here. Only maybe we have getting ready to have a big storm here. Not sure what's going on here. Yeah, we've been under a very severe heat advisory. So big wind here blowing. Here in these little stealth look, here I am enjoying all of them. So sorry I don't see much here. You hear the wind here. Back in the tent here. It's very windy out here. Getting ready to have a people or what? A tornado coming? No clue. I have no clue. Back in here, dear viewers, and see what's going on here. It's been very hot though all day yesterday, even last night. Like I said, 11 o'clock was blazing away. The heat was just awful. What up, I gotta take these shoes off. Sumo shoes. Okay. We are back. That thing here so I can record here. It's still, I have no clue what the weather's doing. Guess I should check the weather van, huh?